Check out the LEGO Vintage Camera, set number 6392343. It has 179 pieces and has a cost of 2,000 VIP points. Are you a fan of both building with LEGO and photography? Now you can combine your two passions and build a unique vintage LEGO camera. In this video, you will witness the creation of my LEGO camera, and at the end I include some amazing examples of the straight out of camera images and the potential each image has after a bit of Photoshop editing. Let me know in the comments below if you are interested in learning how I transform these images. I hope you enjoy the time suck of watching this video as much as I enjoyed wasting my time making it.